Alright, buddy.
Let's see what you got.
Do you know who this is from?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yep, little ice cream cones.
Jamin, who is this present from?
Grandma.
Yeah, Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Grandma Connie and Grandpa Kevin.
Guy, my cycle's one. My cycle.
Let him open it, okay, Mice?
Can you get him out, bud?
Yeah, you're strong, don't you?
My cycle.
Oh!
Yeah, my cycles.
All right. We'll set that up for you, okay, bud? What else is in there?
Look. They're gone.
How are those gone?
Is there?
Maya, do you know anything about those being gone?
Are there more?
What?
Here's one.
Oh, there's one.
M&M's.
All right, M&M's.
No, that's not.
It's a ring pop. No, those are from Mommy and Daddy.
Those are from us. Should we wait or should we?
No, he can. Or he can. Let's let him finish the box.
Alright, let's finish the box, bud.
What else you got in your
Your
box?
ball? Whoa!
That's cool. My cycle.
Isn't that cool?
That's cool.
Should we take it out of the plastic package?
Yeah.
This is a chopper, bud. Hold on here, bud. There you go.
Open this.
Whoa!
Let me open
Cool
this.
chopper.
Bike.
That's a bike.
Yeah, that's bike. I like a motorcycle.
That's a motorcycle.
You want to ride a motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
It's a motorcycle.
But he is small.
Little.
But motorcycle.
Motorcycles too.
I don't like it. My bike. Can you open this for him?
Should we see what else is in the box? Kalla's looking in your box. Kalla, what'd you find?
Motorcycle.
Jamie only wants. Jamie, you want to see what else is in your box?
I'll be for them to play the boat and also play.
Did you get that? Whoa, is that another one?
Another cup.
So we gotta take this plastic part off the back. There we go. Oh, whoa.
Kalla, Kalla.
Whoa, cruiser.
Sand toys. You got sand toys, buddy. Oh, that's like we had at the beach, buddy. Those are the glow-in-the-dark bracelets. That one's all gone. Kala.
Can you open these?
Yeah, we will, but maybe not right now. Let's see what else is in the box.
No.
Can you put those on, Jamin? He's gonna put his sunglasses on. You need some help putting those on?
I'll open it.
Sure. These are gonna be really cute on you, buddy. Okay, ready?
No.